It's a 2017 Chevrolet Malibu. Smart and alluring, it'll impress you with its safety measures, fuel efficiency, and overall performance. It comes with the features you need, and better yet, want. Streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, manual tilting steering column, Wi-Fi hotspot, manual telescoping steering column, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. Experience it for yourself today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.